Two big things just happened in the XRP ecosystem that should send the XRP token to $5 ASAP. Ripple secures DFSA license to offer regulated blockchain power payments in the UAE. And I am talking about the powerhouse city called Dubai. Check this out.
The Middle East and Africa is one of the most promising regions in the world for enterprise crypto development and adoption. The United Arab Emirates is one of the first countries in the region to provide regulatory clarity for the industry. We are proud to be the first blockchain-enabled payment service provider to be licensed by the Dubai Financial Services Authority.
After watching that clip, I hope you've been paying attention to the buildings and paying attention to the infrastructure. Dubai is a crypto powerhouse, and I believe it is just getting started. So check this out. Ahmed bin Saeed meets with the global finance industry leaders participating in the Dubai FinTech Summit 2025. The meeting explored opportunities for collaboration in expanding digital payment infrastructure and accelerating innovation across the financial ecosystem. So you see them meeting right there, the Ripple team meeting with the UAE team out in Dubai at the 2025 summit. And then what happened after that? You get Ripple secures DFSA license to offer regulated blockchain power payments in the UAE. Then more happens. Ripple builds on Dubai regulatory license to announce Zand Bank and Mamo as first blockchain-enabled payment clients in the UAE. So now they are building platforms, infrastructure out so that way they can do payments. And remember, Ripple has the RLUSD, their own stable coin. We also know that everyone likes the USDC token. They like the euro. And I imagine Dubai will be launching, or the UAE rather, will be launching their own stable coins to use throughout the Middle East. So that is step one. Get regulatory framework clarity for blockchain-based payments. Ripple has done that. They have secured the licenses, they have made the partnerships, and they are in the right country and location to work. You got MENA, that's what they call it, Middle East and Northern Africa. So there's a whole bunch of countries. We're talking about Saudi Arabia, Qatar, we are talking about Egypt, Tanzania, a whole bunch of different countries in that region spreading out to the east, Morocco. And so step one was there. Now enter phase two. The Dubai Land Department is implementing a $16 billion real estate tokenization project on the XRP Ledger. As part of the broader UAE initiative to double the digital economy by 2032, this platform called Pripeco Mint allows for fractional ownership of real estate assets, improving liquidity and making property investment more accessible even to real estate investors. The project is designed to integrate with the DLD's official land registry, ensuring consistency and legality. That is massive. $16 billion real estate project tokenized on the XRP Ledger. So you got payment infrastructure, and now you have tokenized real estate infrastructure. And these properties will be going per share $500 a pop. That's 500 USD dollars a pop. So you can be owning things like the Burj Khalifa, for example, owning apartment complexes and buildings. And this is a whole bunch of luxury, and things get rented out there, and they just rendering new city day by day. So check this out. XRP records milestone with new Dubai Land Department project. So to develop a secure and compliant tokenization framework, so they did the partnership. The project will focus on structuring, minting, and tokenizing real estate deeds on the blockchain. The release also mentioned that the XRP Ledger has been chosen for the tokenization project. So powered by XRP, the token for the gas fees and all of that. Using the XRP Ledger blockchain, you will have deeds on the blockchain that you could then tie all the way back into a physical property that is being sold for $500 a pop. Right here. Then we have some announcements from the official land department website in their press release. And this is the part that is important. The first project launched under the real estate tokenization initiative attracted 224 investors, 70% of whom entered Dubai's real estate market for the first time. This highlights strong investor confidence in accessibility powered by flexible, low-cost digital solutions. Investors represented 44 nationalities. That's 44 nationalities. And the average individual investment amounted to 10,714 AED. That's their money over there. As the region's first platform of its kind, the initiative continues to draw significant interest, with the waitlist exceeding 6,000 requests. This surge in demand reflects Dubai's growing appeal to new segments of global investors seeking innovative and accessible property ownership models. There you have it. Payment infrastructure, tokenized real estate infrastructure. Can we see XRP go from $2 to $5? I think that is highly possible with these type of announcements. And once more proof hits the streets, people are going to be flocking in to get their hands on the XRP token. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Passive income, gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.